from Birmingham tuning in tonight and calling in with a question or comment. Sharonda, we really appreciate you reaching out tonight. If you will, go right ahead with your question.
Yes, I have a question. I have a friend that...
Sharonda, you still there?
Oh, yes, I thought... Okay. Yes, I have a question. I have a friend that's in an abusive relationship, and her guy, her boyfriend always tells her that he's going to kill her, and she doesn't take heed of it.
And so tell us what's your specific question?
That he will eventually do it.
So you're concerned for her safety and wondering what you can do to help?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So thank you so much for calling in. I would say that we at one place definitely take domestic violence seriously, and we do know that sometimes it does not always have a happy ending. And so I would say that I would encourage your friend to come, or if she doesn't want to come, she can call one place at, and our number is 205-453-7261. Even if she doesn't even want to come in, she can just call and talk to our navigator. And with that, she's able to do an intake. She's able to kind of ask the questions, but and so we do sometimes have assessment that can talk about the danger. And so I would say for you as a friend, I would say continue to be her friend, continue to support her, and just know that it's a long process, but that you are doing a good thing by being her friend, supporting her.
So, Danielle, so domestic abuse can come in a lot of different shades and color,
yes.
I would think.
Mm-hmm.
And you know, I know obviously most people think of domestic abuse as being physical in nature.
Yes.
Do you also address verbal abuse? Do you address other types of like financial abuse, threats, I think, like
yes.
what the caller was just talking about? And can you talk about that?
Most definitely. So when we talk about domestic violence, physical violence is only just one part of it. We do have financial abuse, so we have seen victims where the person takes the check or only gives out a certain amount of allowances. And we also have emotional abuse where sometimes they are gaslit or they are made to feel that they are less than. And we have them even sometimes even using the children mm-hmm. as a way to manipulate and sometimes have the kids like turn on their parent, or even if they are angry, they may take the child and not always tell the parent where the child or children are. So.
Wow. But you all have services to help folks in those types of situations
yes,
as well?
Most definitely. And so one of the partners that I didn't mention at the beginning is that we have partnership with Legal Services of Alabama and the Volunteers Lawyer Program. And so if there is something that there's a need for civil services, we can refer that client to the Volunteer Lawyers Program or Legal Services of Alabama, and so that way they can get free services if there's need for a divorce or if there's needing for custody cases.
Okay, wonderful.